Print out a mini Nescafe stick picture. Cut it out and double tape the package. Put in regular coffee. I make one Nescafe stick smaller and make the coffee in a toy cup. It's perfect for the tiny girl. It fits well in her little hands. Now each of the girls has her coffee portion in a cup of the appropriate size. The tiny girl's got something special for her new friend, Nutella. It's of the perfect size for herself, but Dolly needs a magnifying glass to see this pack of chocolate spread. Cut 2 1-inch long pieces of a drinking straw. Shape them into triangles and put them together. Make a frame for the mini straws using cardboard. Hot glue the bottom. Paint the cardboard brown. Attach a mini Nutella and Go label. Cut spaghetti into 1-inch pieces and put them into one straw. Heat up some Nutella and put it into the second one. Use a syringe to make the job easier. Cut out a top from self-adhesive foil and attach a Nutella logo to it. The tiny girl's gift is not enough for big people, so Dolly increases it quickly. Now it's okay. Help yourself, tiny girl, but she can sink in the big package easily. She won't be able to cope with this Nutella. It seems that Dolly has an appropriate yummy for the tiny girls somewhere. Here they are, the little drops. It's the extra small size. Melt a few candies in a spoon over a candle. Use a toothpick to shape little drops. Put them on parchment paper. Let them harden. Melt the candies of different colors. Coat a small metallic box with acrylic paint. Attach a mini Fruit Drops label to the lid. Put the tiny candies into the box. The mini girl gets her drops. I wonder what they taste like. Boom! Suddenly the tiny one turns into a real-sized girl. Apparently these drops have an increasing effect. Is it forever? The ex-tiny girl is telling her amazing story to her friend. She used to be a greedy sweet tooth and there were never enough candies for her, so the candy fairy made her small to teach her a lesson. Dolly is listening to this jaw-dropping story. It's great that the girl is big again, and there is only a mini Mars reminding her of her previous life. Cut off a small toffee candy piece. Pull it up to get a thin strip. Put a nougat piece on top and cover the mini bar with melted milk chocolate. Let it harden. Cut out a small chocolate name from the Mars wrapper. Double tape the package. Put in the mini bar. Dolly didn't notice that she ate the whole Mars bar in a couple of bites. As for the ex-tiny girl, she gets nostalgic when she remembers her minimalistic period. Being small has its advantages. For example, you look slimmer on all the photos. Dolly totally forgets that she has prepared a sweet gift for her mini friend. This is a tiny masterpiece of confectionery art. Attach 2 Oreo cookies together. Use Oreo filling for fastening. Roll out pink fondant. Trace the cookie on it. Draw melting glaze with a food marker. Cover the cookie with Nutella and attach the fondant. Dampen the fondant with water. Insert 2 toothpicks. Cut thin ribbon into 1/2-inch pieces. Fasten them to make flags on the thread. Attach the string of flags to the toothpicks. Decorate the cake with sprinkles. Dolly gives her mini cake to her friend. Unfortunately, she's a bit late. This dessert was supposed to be a present for the miniature girl, but she's increased, and now it looks more like a tiny muffin. Anyway, it's sweet and delicious. Did you like the weird, sweet ideas? Then write in your comments which yummies you liked the most. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new delicious ideas on the Troom channel.